Can a dog do something that we can't even imagine? According to a study, dogs can sense an earthquake before it happens. This is why, in some places, dogs are trained to alert people about impending dangers. But that's not all. Science has discovered something about dogs that, if understood, can even save lives. After watching this video, your perception of dogs is bound to change. Stay tuned till the end and discover the hidden secrets that Allah has placed in dogs. It is believed that dogs can see jinn. In today's video, we will explore what science and Islam say about dogs. In Western countries, dogs are considered human-friendly animals, and people love to keep them as pets. There is an interesting story in ancient books about dogs, but its authenticity is still debated. It is said that when Satan was ordered to bow to Prophet Adam, he spat on him out of contempt. This spit fell on Prophet Adam's belly. Allah then ordered Prophet Ibrahim to remove the contaminated clay, creating a small hole, which is now the navel we all have. According to one account, Allah created the dog from that clay. Dogs are believed to possess 3 characteristics. They love humans because they are made from human clay. They guard at night because they were touched by Angel Jibril. And they bark at humans because they contain Satan's spit. You might be surprised to learn that dogs are among the few creatures that can see Satan. This is why dogs bark fearfully at the sky when Satan's army descends at night. Another interesting account mentions that when Allah sent Prophet Adam and Eve to earth, Satan arrived before them and incited the wild animals to attack them. Allah then created male and female dogs from Satan's spit to protect Prophet Adam and Eve. Despite these traits, why are Muslims discouraged from keeping dogs inside their homes? Dogs are loyal animals and quickly become attached to humans. They protect their owners and guard their homes at night. Islam does not entirely prohibit keeping dogs. There are specific allowances for keeping dogs for purposes like hunting or guarding livestock. However, Muslims are advised not to touch dogs unnecessarily due to potential impurity. Despite these rules, Islam emphasizes the rights of animals. During the 2011 earthquake in Japan, experts observed unusual behavior in various animals. Just minutes before the earthquake, dogs and cats in homes ran outside, filling the streets. Scientists believe that dogs can sense these changes better than humans. Despite these incredible abilities, dogs also have traits that make them dangerous. The Prophet Muhammad advised that if a dog drinks from a person's dish, it should be washed 7 times, one of which should be with soil. Scientists and doctors agree that dogs' mouths contain harmful bacteria that can cause diseases in humans. A study by German doctors found that the bacteria in dogs' mouths can infect humans, leading to severe illnesses. The best way to prevent these infections is to avoid close contact with dogs and to ensure they remain in their designated areas. If you want to learn more about other animals in Islam, this video is for you. By understanding these aspects of dogs, we can appreciate their unique place in both science and Islamic tradition. Dogs are loyal, protective, and have incredible abilities that make them fascinating creatures. In addition to their protective nature, dogs have been known to exhibit behaviors that seem almost supernatural. For example, there are numerous reports of dogs warning their owners of natural disasters, like earthquakes and tsunamis. These abilities have been documented in various scientific studies, indicating that dogs can sense changes in the environment that humans cannot. In 2011, during the devastating earthquake and tsunami in Japan, many pet owners reported that their dogs and cats began acting strangely minutes before the disaster struck. They ran outside and refused to return indoors, filling the streets and showing visible signs of distress. Scientists believe that dogs can detect subtle changes in the Earth's magnetic field, gravitational shifts, and even the release of gases from underground movements. Researchers have noted that dogs have heightened senses that allow them to perceive environmental changes well before humans can. This ability to detect impending natural disasters has led to more research into how dogs can be trained to serve as early warning systems, potentially saving countless lives. Despite these remarkable abilities, it's important to remember the religious and cultural guidelines surrounding dogs in Islam. While dogs are recognized for their loyalty and protective nature, they are also considered impure in certain contexts. This is why the Prophet Muhammad advised that if a dog licks a person's dish, it should be washed 7 times, one of which should be with soil. Islamic scholars have provided detailed guidance on how to interact with dogs. For instance, while keeping dogs for protection or hunting is allowed, it is recommended to avoid unnecessary contact to maintain purity. This balance ensures that while we appreciate the dog's abilities and contributions, we also adhere to the religious principles set forth in Islam. The relationship between humans and dogs is complex and multifaceted. In many cultures, dogs are seen as loyal companions and protectors. They are used in various roles, from guarding livestock to assisting in search and rescue operations. Understanding the religious and cultural perspectives on dogs helps us navigate this relationship with respect and appreciation. As we conclude this video, remember that dogs are extraordinary creatures with unique abilities. Their loyalty, protection, and sensitivity to their environment make them invaluable to humans. By respecting the guidelines set forth in Islam, we can ensure that our interactions with dogs are both beneficial and respectful. Thank you for watching The Great Mystery of Dogs in Islam. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing insights into animals and Islamic teachings. We hope this video has provided you with a deeper understanding of the fascinating role dogs play in both science and religion.